everyone, in today's video we're going to be Melon Sandbox, but there's a new update, so we're going to be playing this update. So I'm going to show you a tutorial how to get this creature, but right now let's go to this, because you can get anything. So if you know the map, because I got this new map, you can know that. Look at endless type. I'm doing best before I think. How to do you know that, you know a character, Chainsaw Man? How to make chainsaw. Don't worry guys, I'm going to teach you. So you go to the knife, and then go down, and you see this thing, chainsaw, put it here, pause the video, pause this thing, and then zoom in, just put in a good shape, and put it up. Then you go here, press it 2 times, and press the layer button. And now get this one, and then press this, and then go here, and then just press this again, and then you got it. Look, I have Chainsaw. And in case you want to make Chainsaw Man run, just look. I make Chainsaw Man walk, or something else, and he's going towards this guy. What? Look guys! He's killing Chainsaw Man. Alright. Bro. And now the time for the tutorial how to get. Don't mind these stuff, these are super new. How to get Jeff. How to get Jeff. So Jeff is like here, you go here. You see this app? Add-ons for Melon Sandbox, this guy. You go here and get anything you like. Let's just search Jeff. Here it is, Jeff the Killer. And you just have to press it. It might give you ad or something else. This is how we get it. And please stay tuned for the next video.